In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change names in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you want to log into your Zendesk account. So head on over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. After clicking it, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means your email and password. Once you've entered those, hit the Sign In button again to access your account. Once you've logged in, the next step is to open your profile. You'll also find that little profile photo of yours in the top right corner, just like you did when you logged in. Go ahead and click on your profile picture, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select View Profile. This takes you to a page where all of your account details are displayed. Now that you are on your profile page, your name will be prominently displayed at the top. Take a moment to locate it. What you want to do next is click directly on your name. If you prefer, you can also hover over it, and that will allow you to edit it. Once you click or hover, a text box will pop up, allowing you to make the necessary changes to your name. Now, this step might surprise you a little. You may be looking for a traditional save button to save the changes you just made, but that's not how Zendesk works. Instead, after typing in your new name, all you need to do is click anywhere outside of the text box, and voila, Zendesk will automatically save your new name for you. It's quick and efficient, just the way we like it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Zendesk. Just remember that these changes reflect in your user profile, so anyone who interacts with you within the platform will see your updated name. So, if you've recently married, changed your last name, or simply want to be known by a different name, it's all very easy. If you're having any issues or if something doesn't seem to be working, don't hesitate to reach out to Zendesk's support team. They're pretty helpful and they can guide you through any unexpected hiccups you might encounter. Before we wrap up, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. It helps us create more useful content for you. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Zendesk experience. Until next time.